Alright, I can witness a train here at Los Fernando station. And guess what? Oh my goodness, guess what this? The Canyon train rides, we get a ride. Awesome! Wow, I can't wait the Canyon train ride. And the Canyon train is crazy awesome. Oh, this right there. Oh, you can see right there on this. Okay, wait, train rides. Can we come right there? Here it is. Three, 9, 10, right? Oh, let's go. Oh, it's in the open right there. Okay. 3, 9, 10, right? We're going to boulevard station. Here we go. There's a train right there. Ooh, this is so really fast. Oh, it's like a tram ride. That's cool. Wow, my very first canyon train together with some isolation. Yeah. Isolation, I think with this explores. My very first canyon trains. Wow, that was awesome. I'm sorry to talk stuff in look. You fell, guys. With number 319. Entrance canyon, my very first canyon rides. Whee! This is so really fast, guys. This is really fast and this. Look at the depot right there. Oh, what's up about this? Man, I was video making long rides on this. That was making a really awesome video, but I give it this train. It's a real long ride on the canyon rides. Uh-oh, we're going to the next station. Not below our ship when we walk. Alright, that's the part. Oh, there goes the railroad closing. Oh, the crazy on the fine. There it goes. There's a railroad station's come. Man, that's a very long arch on this. Not railroad station. It's saying it's 11 at boulevard. Kiss me, definitely get. Wait, stop it. Oh, we got the right sides and facing them right. It's really on this. My god, that's a real long word on there, huh? Alright, your boulevard station is. Alright, here we are. That's crazy long way to this over here. Yep, with the close. Always the wood between what canyon lights. Oh, Jason. So look, Jason's right. Yep. Hey Jason, where it is? Hi, I need number 3910. Alright guys. Where there is a train. Alright, there goes the train. That was long hard to lose. Here it goes. Alright, here boulevard. My god, it's really crazy. A long way to here. This side. There it is. Oh, I guess a picture on this. Oh, that was a really long way there. Scared on trains. Oh, there goes another. That was fast. Long way. See you guys. Please stop.